Imagine a world where your camera isn't just a tool, but an extension of your own vision, capturing reality with a clarity that feels more real than life itself. We are standing on the precipice of a revolution in action cinematography, and at the heart of this storm lies the most anticipated release of 2026, the DJI Osmo Action 7. For months, the tech world has been whispered into a frenzy by supply chain leaks, patent filings, and hushed rumors from the inner circles of Shenzhen, and today, we finally piece together the full picture of the device that is set to render every other action camera obsolete. This is not just an incremental update. This is a foundational shift in how we document our lives, our adventures, and our stories. The Osmo Action 7 represents DJI's boldest leap forward, a masterclass in engineering that balances raw power with elegant, intuitive design. We are looking at a sensor that defies the laws of low-light physics, a stabilization system so advanced it feels like magic, and an ecosystem of features that bridge the gap between amateur enthusiasts and Hollywood professionals. The rumor mill has been churning at an unprecedented rate, and the consensus is clear. The Action 7 is moving toward a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor, a feat previously thought impossible for a device this compact. This isn't just about megapixels. It's about light gathering, dynamic range, and the ability to shoot in the dead of night with the same crispness as high noon. Imagine trekking through the neon-lit streets of Tokyo or descending into a sun-drenched canyon in Arizona, knowing that every shadow, every highlight, and every subtle hue will be preserved with breathtaking accuracy. But the sensor is only the beginning. Sources suggest that DJI has perfected an 8K 60 FPS internal recording capability that doesn't just look good on paper, but delivers a bitrate so rich and deep that your footage will have a cinematic texture never before seen in the action category. This is about future-proofing your memories, ensuring that years from now, your footage still looks cutting-edge on the displays of tomorrow. Let's talk about the soul of any action camera: stabilization. We've seen RockSteady evolve over the years, but the 2026 iteration, rumored to be called RockSteady Ultra, utilizes a hybrid of AI-driven predictive algorithms and advanced physical dampening. This means the camera actually anticipates your next move, smoothing out the most violent vibrations before they even happen. Whether you're mountain biking down a rugged trail in the Alps or skydiving over the Palm Jumeirah, the footage remains as steady as if the camera were floating on a gimbal. This level of stability opens up new creative possibilities, allowing creators to ditch heavy gear and move with total freedom. The horizon leveling has also been pushed to its limit, offering a full 360-degree lock that keeps your world upright no matter how many times you flip, roll, or tumble. It's the kind of reliability that builds confidence, knowing that you can focus on the moment while the technology handles the chaos. The design language of the Action 7 is whispered to be a rugged refinement. While it maintains the iconic dual-screen setup that DJI pioneered, the displays are rumored to be OLED panels with a peak brightness that cuts through direct sunlight like a hot knife through butter. The responsiveness of the touch interface has been tuned to work perfectly even under freezing conditions or with heavy gloves, a nod to the extreme athletes who rely on this gear. But perhaps the most shocking leak involves the thermal management. We all know the dread of a camera overheating mid-shot. DJI has reportedly engineered a new passive cooling architecture combined with a high-efficiency processor that allows for unlimited 4K recording in most environments. This is a game-changer for long-form creators, vloggers, and anyone who's tired of the cool-down wait. Furthermore, the battery life is projected to jump by 40%, thanks to new high-density cell technology that performs exceptionally well in sub-zero temperatures, making it the ultimate companion for the 2026 winter season. Connectivity and the creator workflow are where the Action 7 truly separates itself from the pack. We are seeing reports of integrated 5G modules for seamless high-definition live streaming directly from the device to platforms like YouTube and Twitch without the need for a tethered smartphone. The internal microphones have been redesigned to include advanced wind reduction AI, capturing professional-grade audio even in a gale. For those who demand more, the seamless integration with the DJI Mic 2 ecosystem remains, but with even lower latency and higher fidelity. The software side is equally impressive, with an AI-powered auto-edit feature that identifies the most exciting moments in your footage and generates a viral-ready montage before you've even finished your hike. It's about reducing the friction between capturing a moment and sharing it with the world. As we look toward the official launch date, the excitement is palpable because the DJI Osmo Action 7 isn't just competing with GoPro anymore. It's competing with the very idea of what a camera can be. It is a tool of empowerment for the solo creator, a rugged beast for the adrenaline junkie, and a cinematic powerhouse for the digital storyteller. The leaks suggest a price point that remains competitive, signaling DJI's intent to dominate the global market and establish the Action 7 as the gold standard for years to come. In an era where content is king, this is the scepter. Every frame you capture with this device tells a story of ambition, adventure, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Stay tuned as we continue to track every leak, every whisper, and every official update, because the future of action photography is almost here, and it's called the DJI Osmo Action 7.